Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today, we're taking a closer look at a motorcycle that has stood the test of time and still holds a special place in the hearts of many riders, the Hero Honda Dawn. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and simple design, the Hero Honda Dawn has been a favorite choice for daily commuting in India and other markets. In this video, we'll dive into the details of this iconic bike and explore why it continues to be a trusted companion on the roads, even years after its initial launch. The Hero Honda Dawn was designed with the common man in mind. It's a commuter motorcycle that delivers practicality, ease of use, and minimal maintenance, exactly what most daily riders need. It features a 97.2cc air-cooled, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine that produces around 7.8 bhp of power and 8.04 Nm of torque. While these numbers might not seem too exciting, they're more than enough for city riding and short-distance travel. The engine is mated to a 4-speed constant mesh gearbox that offers smooth gear shifts and a stress-free riding experience. One of the main highlights of the Hero Honda Dawn is its exceptional fuel efficiency. With an average mileage of around 60 to 70 kilometers per liter under normal riding conditions, the Dawn proves to be highly economical. This makes it especially appealing to those who need a dependable and affordable ride for everyday use. In terms of design, the Hero Honda Dawn sticks to the basics: no flashy graphics, no complicated body panels. Instead, it has a clean and classic look with a round headlamp, a simple fuel tank, and a flat seat that offers comfort for both the rider and the pillion. It has a sturdy build and uses strong metal components, which make it capable of handling rough road conditions, even in rural areas. The bike is equipped with drum brakes at both the front and rear, which are adequate for the kind of performance the bike delivers. The suspension system includes telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, providing a comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. The riding position is upright and relaxed, suitable for long hours of use without causing strain. Another feature that makes the Hero Honda Dawn a reliable workhorse is its low maintenance cost. Spare parts are widely available and reasonably priced, and the engine is simple enough for most local mechanics to service. This makes it a great choice for those who prefer a no-nonsense vehicle that just gets the job done. The Hero Honda Dawn also has a strong resale value in many markets. Thanks to its long-standing reputation and proven durability, even second-hand models are in demand. This is a bike that keeps giving value, even years after the original purchase. While the Hero Honda Dawn may not have the latest features like digital consoles, LED lights, or disc brakes, it was never meant to be a high-tech machine. Its charm lies in its simplicity, durability, and cost-effectiveness. It's perfect for students, delivery riders, farmers, and anyone who needs a dependable two-wheeler without breaking the bank. In terms of competition, the Hero Honda Dawn used to rival other entry-level bikes like the Bajaj CT100 and TVS Star City. However, the Dawn carved out its own loyal fanbase, thanks to Hero Honda's strong service network and the overall quality of the product. Today, the Hero Honda Dawn may not be in production under the same name, as the Hero Honda partnership ended and Hero MotoCorp now produces bikes under its own brand. But the legacy of the Dawn continues through similar models like the Hero HF Deluxe, which carries forward the spirit of affordable and reliable commuting. So if you're someone looking for a practical, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly motorcycle, or if you're a fan of old-school bikes that are easy to maintain and fun to ride, the Hero Honda Dawn definitely deserves a spot on your list. It's not just a bike, it's a dependable partner that has earned the trust of millions. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoland 2025 for more detailed reviews, updates, and insights into the world of motorcycles and automobiles. Your support means a lot, and we're excited to bring you more great content in the next video.